I'm not like most people who said from little that they wanted to go to law school. My dream was always to become a vet. I'm a huge animal person. I love dogs. I love all kinds of animals. So in high school, I interned at a vet's office, and I said, yeah, this is what I want to do. I went to FIU. I started off as a bio major, and unfortunately, I did not click well with science. Let me take some criminal justice classes. I took some, and I fell in love. And at that point, I was like, let me start my pre-law certificate and see if law school is a chance after that, or if not, I'll do a master's and keep on something in the criminal field. And when I started my pre-law certificate classes, I took a common law class, and the professor was an attorney, and she kind of did the classes semi-style, so it was not multiple choice, but we had to do an essay. And after that, I decided, yeah, this is what I want to do. So I started working at an immigration law firm when I was done with undergrad. I kind of wanted to take a year off, make sure I was mentally ready for law school. I knew when I wanted to start it was going to be a big commitment financially, and just because that was going to be the start of a career. So I wanted to make sure I was in the right mindset before I started. So I took a year off, worked as an immigration paralegal. Then I confirmed there that no, I don't want to be a paralegal, I want to be the attorney. So after that, I started applying to law school, and it just became a passion for me. I definitely think a lot of the things the new president is doing and saying are correct. Even beforehand, a lot of, if you took the time to meet with a lot of like the professors in here, they do say that to you. Like Professor Marin is huge on saying, do not just practice multiple choice in one book. You need to use different sources, because you may catch the hang of the way certain multiple choice in one book is written, and then yeah, you feel good because you're doing well, but you're not really going out the way to see other types of multiple choice. The same when I study for classes, I learned a piece, and then I got to walk away from it a bit and then come back and see how much did I really understand. Because when you read through something, you may think, oh, I have it, I understand it. You leave, you come back, and then if it's gone or it all left, then you weren't really comprehending it. So that's definitely something. And practicing multiple choice, practicing essay writing, issue spotting is huge. It's not just about looking at the material, reading your outline, and hoping that the day of the essay, the exams, you can do them. One of the things that pushed me the most when I started law school is I was raised very big on that schooling is very important. It's the one thing my mom always told me, it's the one thing no one can take away from you no matter what. So I came into law school very determined with that. My parents mean so much to me. I've always wanted to make them proud of me, show them that everything they've worked for to give me, like I want to give back to them in one way. So whenever I did my first honors convocation here, that I got them to come, that for me was probably the most motivating time I had, because seeing how proud my parents were and how happy they were to come see me and see my accomplishments, I just wanted to kind of give that to them more, and that started to push me for myself as well. So at that point I became competitive even with myself. I mean, one term if I was doing good, I wanted the next term to do just as good or even better. Other than that, without law school, I can say every semester has been different. Every semester has been amazing. I've tried to become involved in everything that I can. Any organizations, take on leadership positions. I was very shy when I started law school, so I kind of wanted to break out of that, because I knew if I want to talk in the courtroom, I need to learn to talk whether I like it or not. So I started taking on leadership positions, and I can say that working with everyone in the school, all the students, it's amazing. It's something I don't regret it at all.